What is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. My name is Cash like money. Before we get into this video, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the glam fam. And as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. Alright, so today's video I'm going to be doing a try-on haul for Anastasia Beverly Hills lip kit called Undressed. There's 5 pieces in here. I'll be trying on 5 liquid lips for you today. So we have Sand, On Mute, Peachy, Beam, and Summer Vibes. Anastasia right now has buy one get one 50% off. So check it out. I got the 𝒟𝒂 highlighter palette by Anastasia. Comes with 6 colors, super beautiful. I'm wearing it right now. I'm wearing 143 for my highlights, and then I want to try on this for you guys so you can see if you have a skin tone similar to mine, then you can see how it wears basically. So let's try it on. This one's called Peachy. I actually like this one. It's very pretty, very spring summer vibes. I love it. This one is called On Mute. I think this one's my favorite. This one is called Beaming. This one is like super metallic. We're gonna see how it wears now. This one's called Summer Vibes. This one on. So my top favorite 3 was Sand, Summer Vibes, and I believe it was On Mute. On Mute was my favorite because it was like more my skin tone. Peachy I didn't really like too much because it seemed like it was way too light for my skin tone. And then Beaming was okay, but it was super metallic, not something I would really gravitate towards. But the set overall is really good. You can mix and match them too. Like I would probably wear On Mute with Summer Vibes on top of it if I wanted a gloss, or if I just wanted something matte, I would just wear On Mute by itself. So highly recommend. Go check out their website. Literally, it's buy one get one 50% off, girl. It's a steal. So that's my makeup collection. I love nudes, like I said. If you're looking for a good nude lip, that's it, girl. That's it. Anything else to say except for I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the glam fam. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. I will see you in my next video. Stay safe. Wash your hands.